My name is Eddy Maduna from the University of Port Vale, and I'm a planeteer. I'll be talking to you about why South Africa is such a special place to study Earth system sciences. Firstly, what is this Earth system sciences? Although it may not be a new term or a new concept, but I would like to explain it just in lay terms. Earth system sciences is a multidisciplinary kind of study that seeks to understand different Earth systems that take place within the Earth. By so doing, we are going to try to get knowledge of how this planet is made habitable, and why is it the only place that is habitable among all other kinds of planets that we find within our system. I will only talk about a few points that make South Africa a special place, and each one will be linked to the other. The first point is that South Africa is situated in a very special place in the southern hemisphere of a most stable continent, which is Africa. Now, South Africa is surrounded by different kinds of ocean currents that make South Africa to be more special in terms of now studying different kinds of weather and different kinds of lives that are going to be found, or should I say diversity of species that are going to be found within this ecosystem around South Africa. Looking also in terms of biodiversity, South Africa is one of the most diverse area in the world. In fact, we classify it around the third or the fourth place that is most diverse in terms of biodiversity. And this is one of the special things because it is going to allow, say, more scientists to be able to study Earth system research is possible in actual fact. As a developing country, South Africa is a gateway of making scientific contributions in the global climate change science. South Africa also has stabilities that makes it a better place to study Earth system sciences. Number one, we look at the economic stability. South Africa is referred as one of the top African economies, strong African economies. If not number one, it's number two. Then the second point that we look at is political stability. There's quite a stable political will and political stability for scientists and for people to be able to understand how they can be able to contribute in the whole climate change science. South Africa also has capacity to study Earth system sciences in a sense that there's a lot of universities, there are many people who are willing to come here from all over the world in order to be able to assist South African or African scientists in order to continue with their researches. And as I have said earlier, the environment in South Africa is so conducive for everyone to be able to engage in studying Earth system sciences here. With all these few words, I would like to think that you are convinced enough on why is South Africa the best place to study Earth system sciences. Thank you very much.